you ever had a business idea? Do you think that idea could be carried out and make a profit? How do you know? How do you know if somebody will buy it? The way to know if people will buy your product or service is validation. What are your ideas of validation? What is validation? How would you validate your idea? Let's play this quiz and find out. Question 1. Are you validating your business if you ask your mom, your friends, and your family if they would buy your product? No. Question 2. Is validating your idea asking your potential customers about their needs? Yes, it is. Question 3. Is relying on your intuition validating your idea? No. Question 4. Are you validating your idea if you post your product or service on social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, and you simply count the number of likes and hearts you receive? No. Question 5. Is validating your idea asking your target clients in which way they are solving their problem now? Yes, it is. Last question. Are you validating your idea by researching your potential competitors' strengths? Yes, you are. So, validation is not something magical. It is a process in which you use some tools and gather evidence that will provide you useful information about your clients so that you can make informed decisions. Maybe your mom, your friends, and your family think your product is amazing, but are they your potential customers? It's imperative that you study your target customer. Who is your client? Who is the user? What do they need? What do they want? What problem do they have? How are they currently solving their problem? What are the existing solutions? Is your idea the best solution? Trusting your intuition is good, but validating your idea is connecting with your client's needs and enables you to predict if your product or service will be profitable. Will people pay for my product? Will it be possible to carry out? Will it be socially and environmentally sustainable? Everyone wants their idea to be liked. Okay, you've received lots of likes and hearts, but that doesn't mean people will buy your product. That is not validation. This is a very common mistake that can end in failure, and you could end up wasting a lot of time and money. In conclusion, it is after the whole validation process when your idea or product or service will be ready to be offered to the clients. And when people put their hand in their pocket to pay in advance for your idea or product, then you know your product or service can be profitable.